the skill of solving equations is really a key skill in algebra. Okay, I look at this problem and I see, oh wow, I've got parentheses inside of brackets. And if we're obeying order of operations, this is the more complicated expression on the right hand side. I really want to work inside these brackets, but I don't see anything that can be done inside each of the parentheses. So it seems that the only thing we can do is multiply or distribute that -1 into that second parentheses. And that's the only thing I'm going to do moving down to the next line. 5 minus the 6k plus 1 equals 2 times bracket. Now, there really is no need for these parentheses. I'm going to drop them off because there's no number in front of them. I'm then going to have minus k plus 2. And then I want to do some cleanup inside that bracket, combining of like terms. So again, no change on the left hand side. Leave it 5 minus the quantity 6k plus 1 equals 2 times. And now inside the parentheses, or bracket, 5k minus 1k is 4k. And -3 plus 2 makes -1. Now I'm going to still continue to distribute to get rid of these parentheses and brackets. So on the left side I'm going to have 5 minus 6k minus 1 equals 2 times the 4k. That makes 8k, and 2 times the -1 makes -2. Okay, I see variables on both sides, but I also see on the left there's 3 terms, and I want to combine the 2 constants together. So we're going to have -6k plus 4 on the left, 5 minus the 1 is the 4, equals the 8k minus 2. Now we want all of our variables on one side. I'm going to add 6k because I'd rather have a positive coefficient in front of my k after doing this. That will give us 4 equals 14k minus 2. And you can see this is coming out nice and clean here. We're going to add 2 to both sides. Well, I guess it's not that clean. We're about to have a fraction. 6 is equal to 14k. And dividing 14 off of each side of the equation and reducing the fraction on the left gives us 3/7 is equal to k, and I'm not going to bother checking that one again due to time constraints.